Hi there. In this quick video we will be taking a look at this SilverCrest luggage scales, okay, that I got from Lidl. Basically it's for stuff like this. When you get on a plane, most times you have also a weight limit, and these have a weird shape, so they are a bit hard to weigh at home. Yes, if you have scales for people, you can get yourself on that, see what's your weight, and then grab this and lift it and yeah, see the difference and calculate how much this weighs. But there's an easier way to do this, and this was that cheap that I had to have it. So let's open this stupid packaging. In here we have a manual, which that's a bit weird, but yeah, let me give you a quick look at it. Feel free to pause at any time. So it seems it's working with a CR2032 battery. I think those are the batteries that computer BIOSes use. Okay, man, those are lots of languages in a little book like this. Okay, so it goes from 0 to 50 kilograms. I think that's enough. I don't think you will have luggage with more than 50 kilograms anytime soon, or at least for sure I know we will not have something like that. Yes, this is basically not really a manual, it's mostly just idiot proofing that needs to be done in this day and age. So we are sure that, yeah, that's over for English. We are sure that somebody's not going to try and eat this thing or something, who knows. Is there anything useful in here? Yeah, I'm guessing not, honestly. Where's English? Jesus. Where is English? Ah, okay. Yeah. Whatever. And this, I have no clue what it is, but yeah. Anyway, I think it's even one more language that wasn't on that one or something like that. Let's open this. So for the packaging, battery included, good. It measures in 50 gram increments. It has, I never know how to pronounce this, TER weighing function. Basically you zero it, and if you add something to your luggage, you know how much you added from that point on, for example. Overload indicator and automatic switch off to save battery. So yeah. So the last measurement remains on the display after you actually put your luggage down. And that's about it. Camera focus. Do we have a model number, product number, something? I don't think we have for this one. Oh, I think this is it. So this is the company that's making it. Great. So basically we have this strap, which is pretty beefy from what I see. You put it over what you want to measure, and this thing will give you the weight. So now let's just remove the battery protection. Really? I need to have a screwdriver and open this. I think it might come if I pull on it really hard, but doesn't seem to want to come out. So better open this up and then remove this. Removed the screw. Pop this out. And now attempt to pull this from under the battery. seems to be going. So I think about 0% chance of pulling that without opening up, because from the marks on it, it was quite tight in there. Now just put this back together and put the screw in the little hole right there. And it's on, and I didn't realize it's actually backlit, which is much more than I expected it. So at this point, let me just try and yank on it with my hand somehow to see if it detects. Yep, it detects. Let's weigh something. Let's see how easy it is. I'm only using one hand, so if I can do it like this, anybody can. This latch is quite tough. Oh, and I didn't even clip it all the way in. That's actually good. But yeah, it needs to hold 50 kilos, so there's that. And that's the last measurement when I played with it. As you can see, highest value. Now let's lift this. Put it in the middle so it's balanced. I think we need to power it on. It went to sleep. So 6.7 kilograms for this. Easy as that. And this is really light. I had things like this with 15 to 20 kilograms, I think, maybe even more, who knows. But it's always a struggle to get them to the airport when they are that heavy. Let's measure something that we know already has a fixed weight and see if it matches this. These together should have 2.5 kilograms. Let's see if I find a way to measure them, because this will not go through the hole, obviously. So I need to add something. Don't tell my daughters. I needed a piece of string. So on and off they go off the ground. So 2.45, and it should be in theory 2.5, but this doesn't show. So if it's 2.47, for example, it will go down to 2.45. Presumably it rounds to the closest 5, to say like that, or 0. And my daughter calling for me, so yeah, be back in a moment. You can change also the measurement unit. I think this is pounds. Yeah, I don't remember how this is called. And in grams, but it will only show from 50 to 50 grams. You will not see a more exact measurement. If I long press it, does it do anything? It does do something. Okay, I need to read the manual for that, honestly. I think I found what this is doing. So in 5 or S, from you are going down, and from this you are going up. Let's say I set it to 1 kilogram. This is for checking stuff really quickly, and if you want to get out of the menu, hold it long again. Come on. Is it in weighing mode? Yep, it's in weighing mode. So yeah, take a look at this. I put it at 1 kilogram. So you can set it to be read at any above any certain weight. So it was by default at 20 kilograms. So let's get it back to 20 kilograms. pretty cool. And it doesn't say anything about this in the manual. Why? I have no idea. And for F, I have no idea what's F. Let me just get back to this. So this was 5 or S, I got it. And F. I don't know what's F. Come on. I literally cannot. Did I shut it off or something? Come on. Let me try and figure out what with F, but I don't think there's anything that you can set. But we found this little cool thingy with the red light when you are setting a limit. Let me show you how you can turn it off. I didn't find anything with that F, so I have no idea what that was about. To turn it off, hold this button, it's off. Turn it on, and now it's on. And I want to show you this is not a highly precise tool. I think you are, I don't know, 200 or 300 grams plus minus or something like that. Okay, to zero it, quickly press on this and it's zeroed. I lift it really slowly. I didn't manage to lift it, so try again. Let it zero without any load. And now lift it. 2.35 kilograms. Okay, it should be 2.5. Now zero it again without any load and lift it quickly. Okay. So you see the difference from the way I just lift everything up. So do 1 or 2 or 3 measurements and then round the value and see what you actually get. Anyway, but let's see. So we have this. Hold on to it. Oh no, my bad. Power it on again. Let it settle. Now lift it. Now go to 0, and now if I also lift the toy itself, yep, it also weighs that, and we are only seeing the weight difference between what we lifted initially, the black weights, and this. And now we see it with minus because we put these things down. Yeah, pretty cool. Not the most exact thing in the world, but will do the job for luggage. I don't want something that precise, and I think this is more than enough for our needs. If you want something more precise than this, presumably search somewhere else. So that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.